Hey guys, Jason here with ACS. Got you another quick tip here. A lot of times people like to go in the rooms that they don't use, especially for empty nesters. Their kids have left. We don't want to heat and cool that bedroom anymore, or whatever it may be. They like to go in that room and they like to shut the vent off. Now this is a vent that you would typically see in a floor. It's got these louvers on the back of it right here. Little handle here that opens and closes it. And people like to go shut those off. Just like that. That's what it looks like on the back side. It sits in your floor like this. Some of you have them up in your ceiling. So when we shut that off, that restricts the airflow. It may be okay to do in one room, maybe. But if you start doing this in multiple rooms, then what happens is we restrict too much airflow, and it can cause some real problems with your AC system. If you're having issues, you've went through your house and you've shut some of these off trying to save money. We're all trying to save money these days. Then that could be your issue. So go around your house, open all of them back up, may fix your problem. If not, scroll through. We may have another video that may fix your problem. Otherwise, give us a subscribe, a like, a view, and we'll see you next time.